Hey guys, I'm showing you this zombie designed shooting practice target. It's very nice and handy for the kids, like if you use the Nerf guns or you use any other target or the balls or stuff that you can use for this purpose. And this is, you can see, like it's very much packable and it comes in a really nice pack and very bright in color. So these are the attachments that comes with. These are the ground sticks. I will show like later in the corner later on that you can put it outside with this nail and the ground guard, and see it pop up just like that and it opens up. Now these sticks is like magnetic. You just add it in there and this makes really nice thing, and you can just add in your two corners like this and you're good to go. So assembly is really nice and trendy. Also like it's pretty easy and you can pack this up. So I just add and then just zip it up. Same thing with the other corner. Just put that stick in and just zip it lock. And once it's all set, you can just put it anywhere. If you and it have this mesh in the back, so your Nerf guns and the targets will not go anywhere. And you can see stitching and everything is pretty nice, the quality wise, and the print is also very nice and trendy, I will say. So this is the zombie design, and you can just put in the target, shoot it here, and everything will be collected in the back and you can just take it out. It will not go anywhere and you can just put in the target with this point. So it can be a really nice game for the kids or adults to play. And in the corner I will just show the ground guards that you can use this one and put it in the garden outdoor. So this is the dart. It's pretty nice play and the shooting target thing.